It's a tips video, so we're keeping the glasses on. In this video, we'll be talking about how to shop your closet to create new outfits and to save money overall. Baby boy, baby girl, you don't always need to run out and buy new things. Sometimes you have it right there sitting, but you might have forgotten how to style it or that it's even there altogether. Overall, shopping your closet is just going to put you in a better mood for creating new outfits, and it'll help you avoid the triple F's, fit finding frustrations, because we know that's never fun.
I was at the Hermes store and I got my Balenciagas.
When you're like just tearing up your entire closet trying to like create outfits, especially before an event. No, we're not having that over here. The first tip or step that I have is to have a closet clear out. For some people who are really into their outfits, they probably already occasionally do this, but I feel like for the day-to-day person, maybe no. But go through your closet. You probably have things in there since high school that you don't wear and you no longer need, and just put things into different piles and figure out what you want to sell, donate, and give away to someone else, because it can go to a better home. It just doesn't need to be taking up space in your closet anymore, and it'll just free up your closet, free up your mind to create those new outfits. The next tip that I have is, after you do your nice little closet clean out and clear out and everything's given away that you don't need, is to organize your closet in a way that will spark inspiration in you to create new outfits. So for me, I have not that I have two closets, but okay, I'll get into that in a second. But essentially, some of the ways that you can organize your closet is by categorization. So you know all your shirts, all your dresses, all your skirts, all your pants, all your knitwear together. You can do that to make things easier to your eye, and you can style an entire outfit better. You may not have heard this term unless you've worked retail before, but it's Roy G. Biv. Essentially, it's a color coordination science. R stands for red, O stands for orange, V violet, B blue. And essentially, I'll put it in the description box, but it goes on, and once you categorize and color code, it's just so pleasing to the eye. I did that with my drawers this summer, and it made me feel so nice. A really, really good way to like help spark new ideas and creating new outfits is to merchandise your rail. So essentially create outfits in small little capsules on the rail. On this little ladder towel rail behind me, I actually have everything merchandised into little outfits of like the new pieces or like the pieces I've rediscovered that are inspiring me at the moment. So then that way I can really just pick things up and create outfits really easy. They're fresh, they make me feel fun, new, and whatever. And clearly, you know, I am loving black at the moment, but essentially I will usually start off with a top, then there'll be like maybe a cardigan and then a bottom, and then that'll repeat in different outfits. It might not always be outfitted, but essentially there'll be like a top, a jacket, and then a bottom. Pretty much. My rail behind me there is for my merchandised outfit looks, and then my actual main closet has everything color coded and categorized by like style of clothing piece. That helps me stay organized in creating like different and unique outfits that make me feel fresh and fun and just easy to shop my own closet again, right? Because we're not spending unnecessary money. Look for current trends in your wardrobe that you already have. During the summertime, you know, when those long denim mom shorts were really big, and I was literally about to buy a pair from Dynamite, which I actually ended up buying. So wow, am I like backtracking on this tip? Anyways, you live and you learn. So damn, sometimes I be talking too much. Essentially, you can find current trends that are going on in your closet sometimes. You really could dig deep and still find something that's relevant today. Or if you don't find it, you can actually DIY it and like create something new. So back to the mom shorts. I had a lot of high-waisted jeans from Levi's that I wasn't wearing anymore, and I was really gonna like either give them away or just donate them. But I'm like, hey, I could like totally, what's the word, upscale? Just improve them. I just ended up chopping off the legs and made them into mom shorts. It's funny, I actually filmed a video, which I will end up posting once it gets warm again. I ended up filming it way too late into the season, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I literally just shopped my wardrobe and I ended up with a new trendy piece. And it inspired so many new outfits and saved me money. This is my biggest tip, okay? And I want everybody to understand that outfit repeating is cool. It's practical and it's smart. It shows that your money is going a long way and you're not just throwing things away and not reusing it. And on top of that, like, you're just being more sustainable. You're not going out and buying more clothes that's gonna end up in landfills anyway because you don't like it or you don't wear it on repeat. I feel like it's such a bad stigma to go around saying, oh, like, I don't want people to see me in this outfit again, or I don't want to take another picture in it. I feel so good. Like, I feel like I'm not, who wants to waste money? 2021, who wants to waste money? Not me. I feel so good when I have those core staple pieces that I can wear on repeat. And I want you guys to reshop your closet and find those pieces and create your uniform because they're fun. What are some pieces? You're probably sick and tired of me talking about those A-Goldie jeans, those oversized like racer t-shirts, the graphic ones that I like thrifted. I wear that baseball cap a lot. There are so many things in my wardrobe that I repeatedly wear and I chat your ear off about it. And sometimes I'm like, wow, I'm being annoying. But to be honest, I want to come across as somebody who re-wears their clothes. I don't want to, you know, seem like I'm just buying new things all the time and not getting good use out of it. And I'm not perfect. I mean, like, I could be better. But I just want you guys to just rewear. And honestly, if you're in a rut and you're just kind of down about reshopping your closet, find some outside inspiration to get you started. Right now, some of my biggest inspirations, Pinterest is always a good one. You guys can follow me on there. I have different boards of different styles that like I will usually get inspiration from. But right now, one of the really big inspirations is like this website. It's actually the website Forward by, is it Elise Walker or something like that? I love the way they style their outfits. Like, it's literally just what I'm loving at the moment. Very kind of like 90s, you know, very feminine, fitted, but kind of boyish at the same time too. Like, I follow them on Instagram. I often just like scroll or browse through their stuff online, and the way they style their models, it's such an inspiration to me, and I can mimic that and shop my closet and create outfits similar. It's totally easy. It's not that hard. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration to reshop your closet. Share some tips down below that you might have to help more efficiently shop your closet. Let me know. I just mentioned these 5, but I'm sure there's a ton more, so you can chit chat in the comments down below and chit chat in my DMs. Follow me on Instagram. You know, we're having a good time. It's great. Watch these other videos that you may have missed. You can click my head to subscribe, and I love you a ton. Take care.